Hopefully yesterday you did yesterday's assignment. In this particular type of thing, we're given one side of the problem, and we wanted to say no solution. One thing that you have to remember about no solution is that 2x plus 3 equals 2x plus or minus a number. And what's important is this can be any number but 3. Any number but 3. So it could be -1, it could be +1, it doesn't really matter. So when we look at this example problem, we want to check the variables. So 4x and 4x, we want it to be no solution. So when we look at this, it can be any number but 20. So I'm just going to put 1. When we look at making something infinite solutions, it could be 2x plus 3, but then the other side has to be 2x plus 3. So when I see 4x and 4x, and then I see plus 20, the second number has to be plus 20. It has to be 20. To make something one solution, the only thing that has to be true is 4x plus 20 is fine, but it cannot have the same coefficient. So, for example, it can be anything but 4. So this can be any number we want, so I'll just pick 3. Again, when we look at this, we want it to be infinitely many solutions. So I got to look and see 4 and 20. So 2 times 2 is what I'm going to get here, so that this becomes 4x. Plus, I need this to be 20. So 2 times what gives me 20? Well, the answer is 10. And then it will become infinitely many solutions. When I want to make something no solution, it means that this number here cannot be the same. So 2 times 2 is going to be 4x. This blank space can be any number except for 10. So we'll just put 9. Again, to make something infinitely many solutions, what has to be true is it has to be the same variable. So 3 times what equals 12? Well, 4. To make it no solution, the only thing, this has to be 3 because it's given to us right here. Because this is 7, this blank space can be any number but 7, so we'll put 6. To make something infinitely many solutions, it has to have the same variable and the same number. So this is 3 and this is 7. To make something no solution, they have to have the same variable. So this has to be 4, but it cannot be 7. So we'll put 6. To make something no solution, it has to have the same variable. So this has to be 3, and then these two numbers have to be different. So we'll put 6, and then we'll put 7. To make something infinitely many solutions, this has to be the same, so we'll put 3x. These two numbers now have to be the same as well, so we'll put 6 and 6. To make something infinitely many solutions, it has to have the same variable, so we'll put 2x and 2x. And then the numbers also have to be the same, so we'll put 4 and 4. It doesn't really matter what numbers you pick, they just have to be the same.